To fix the error code E04 on a Hoover washing machine, it's essential to understand what this code signifies. The E04 code indicates that the flood alarm has been activated due to an excessive accumulation of suds during a wash cycle, which is the most common cause of this error. The best solution to resolve this issue is to run a maintenance wash cycle, which cleans and removes any residual soap or detergent that may have accumulated in the drum from previous cycles and could be causing excess suds. To do this, start by removing all laundry from the drum and ensuring it's empty. Then, place a 3-in-1 care and protect sachet in the drum base and run a wash cycle at 90 degrees, followed by a rinse cycle to remove the cleaning agent from the appliance. After completing these steps, keep the appliance door open to allow for aeration and to dry its internals. To prevent excessive sud formation in the future, use the recommended amount of detergent for each wash cycle. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the E04 error code and maintain your washing machine's optimal performance.